What is that? A vitamin? Frankincense ball? What is that? Oh, oils?
The Escape series. Beyond the Escape. Beyond the Escape. It smells like camping. That's enough. That's enough.
You like it? It reminds you of camping?
Okay, Eddie. That's really It's coastal escape. Can you put on do myself after? It smells really like rain, like a rainforest.
Ooh, what do you think this one smells like, Eddie? Oh, let Max smell it.
Does it smell like? It smells like rainforest. V&G. Very green.
Very good.
It's good. It's my treat now. Do you like it? Yes. Have a sip of it? It's mine forever. It's not gonna last forever. But I drink it forever. Can't sit strong. Wanna come on your face, Maggie? Wanna come on your face? Okay. Look in the mirror. Wait, these are both frankincense. Can I say, Matt, when you throw this, you will
So
keep.
one's to take internally.
Matt, when
and
you
one's to put
throw
on.
this,
So this is the new frankincense boswellic acid complex. So it has the actual frankincense oil in it, but then it also has acetyl 11 keto B boswellic acid, or AKBA. Gonna be our new headache, pain reliever, anti-aging daily supplement.